What's up, y'all? This is Masakatsu Yamamoto, and I am going to show you my very own wind tunnel. Without further ado, we are going to start off with the materials that I have used. The materials I have used to develop this wind tunnel are carton box, batteries and battery case, CPU fans, straws, duct tape, and lastly, glue gun and glue stick. So, to further understand our wind tunnel, I am going to show you the dimensions. As you can see, the wind tunnel is composed of three parts: the diffuser, test section, and the flow straightener. And lastly, let us proceed to the most important part, the airflow visualization. To create smoke, I burned a handful of charcoal and added a teaspoon of cooking oil to increase the smoke it produces. As you can see from the video, the airflow is laminar thanks to our flow straighteners. You can also see the airflow separation that is occurring inside the tunnel relatively to the models. That's all for my DIY wind tunnel. Peace out.